Boost your fitness, strength, and flexibility with 12 essential daily exercises designed to energize your body and maintain optimal health. Number 1. Stretching. Stretching exercises are essential for improving flexibility, reducing muscle tension, and preventing injury. Incorporating a variety of stretches into your routine can enhance mobility and increase blood flow to muscles, promoting recovery and relaxation. Common stretches like hamstring stretches, hip openers, and shoulder rolls help release tightness and improve range of motion. Static stretches, held for 20 to 30 seconds, focus on lengthening muscles, while dynamic stretches, performed with controlled movement, warm up the body. Stretching also aids in stress relief and promotes better posture. Whether before or after workouts, regular stretching is crucial for maintaining optimal muscle function and entire physical well-being. Number 2. Shoulders tap. A core strengthening exercise that targets the shoulders, arms, and abdominals. Start in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders. Tap one shoulder with the opposite hand while keeping your body stable. Alternate sides, engaging your core to prevent rocking. Shoulder taps improve stability, coordination, and upper body strength. Number 3. Glute Bridges. An effective exercise for strengthening the glutes, lower back, and core. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top, then lower back down. Glute bridges improve posture, enhance hip mobility, and activate key stabilizers. Number 4. Mountain climbers. A high-intensity, full-body exercise that targets the core, shoulders, and legs while boosting cardio endurance. Start in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and body straight. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, mimicking a climbing motion. Keep your core engaged and movements fast but controlled. Mountain climbers enhance agility, core strength, and stamina, making them a great addition to any workout routine. Number 5. Leg raises. A simple yet powerful exercise for strengthening the lower abs and hip flexors. Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, and lift your legs to a 90-degree angle while engaging your core. Slowly lower them without touching the floor. Leg raises build core stability and abdominal definition. Number 6. Jumping jacks. A classic cardio exercise that boosts heart rate, promotes endurance, and engages the entire body. Begin by standing with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs shoulder-width apart and simultaneously raise your arms overhead. Quickly reverse the motion by jumping again to bring your feet together and arms back to your sides. This rhythmic movement works your legs, core, and shoulders, boosting coordination and muscle tone. Jumping jacks are an excellent warm-up or standalone exercise to improve cardio health, burn calories, and energize your body, making them ideal for any daily fitness routine. Number 7. Bicycle crunches. An effective AB exercise that targets the rectus abdominis and obliques for a strong, toned core. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted, knees bent. Engage your core as you bring your right elbow toward your left knee while straightening your right leg, mimicking a pedaling motion. Switch sides by bringing your left elbow to your right knee, maintaining a fluid, controlled movement. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor and avoid pulling on your neck. Bicycle crunches improve core stability, sculpt your waistline, and enhance coordination, making them a great addition to any fitness routine. Number 8. Burpees. A dynamic, full-body exercise that boosts strength, endurance, and heart fitness. Start in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank, ensuring your body is straight. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back to the squat position. Explode upwards into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Repeat the sequence smoothly for maximum effect. Burpees engage your chest, arms, legs, and core while providing an intense cardio workout. This exercise burns calories, improves coordination, and builds stamina, making it an excellent addition to any daily fitness routine for overall conditioning. Number 9. Lunges. Lunges are an essential exercise for building leg strength, balance, and stability. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart and engage your core. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are at a 90-degree angle. Ensure your front knee stays above your ankle and your back knee hovers just above the ground. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Lunges target the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves while improving hip flexibility. They can be varied with reverse or side lunges to engage different muscle groups, enhancing complete lower body power and vigor. Number 10. Plank. A highly effective exercise for core strength, stability, and vitality. Begin by lying face down, then lift your body onto your forearms and toes, keeping your elbows directly under your core muscles to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, no sagging or arching. Hold this position, focusing on controlled breathing and maintaining tension throughout your core, glutes, and legs. The plank strengthens not just your abs but your entire midsection, improving posture and balance. Add variations like side planks or lifting an arm or leg for more challenge and enhanced results. Number 11, squats. A fundamental lower body exercise that strengthens your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Engage your core and lower your body by bending at the hips and knees as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up, back straight, and knees aligned over your toes. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the floor or as far as your mobility allows. Press through your heels to return to the starting position. Squats build strength, improve balance, enhance flexibility, and support better posture. They are versatile and can be done anywhere, making them perfect for daily routines. Number 12, push-ups. The classic, powerful bodyweight exercise that builds upper body strength and core stability. By engaging your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, push-ups enhance muscle tone and endurance. Begin in a high plank position with hands shoulder width apart and body aligned from head to heels. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them at about a 45-degree angle. Press back up to the starting position, ensuring your core stays tight and movements are controlled. Push-ups can be modified by adjusting hand placement or using knees for support. Incorporating push-ups daily improves muscular strength, posture,